All right, but so with ICT, he basically says that price goes to where liquidity is at all times. So
Okay.
price is only gonna go to an area because there's liquidity. And liquidity just means like buyers or like just like stop losses basically.
Okay.
So
Buy stops.
yeah, like buy stops and like sell stops. So like I'm gonna just be drawing trend lines. Like right here, we have like a double top or a double bottom, or like practically double bottom. These are called equal lows. So in any time frame, I mean, preferably 15 minutes to like an hour or
Mhm.
even the 5 minute, you want to be targeting for the sellers to come and take this out. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You could find so much like we can go to the 15 minute and find a bottom and the sellers took it out. Like a double bottom and the sellers took
Yeah.
it out. Like even just like right here. Like yeah, say like this. Like all this consolidation right here.
Hmm.
Like the sellers came and they eventually came and pushed that out. So how you could have even played that is a good question. Like you saw we have a crazy spike. We still in this consolidation, stuff like that. Let's actually just go like lower down to like a 5 minute. So like all of like TJ teaches us that only this candle is the supply zone.
Hmm.
ICT teaches us that these two candles are supply zone. Even all of this is a supply zone right here. So like, I mean, obviously you can narrow it down. You
Yeah,
could,
yeah, of course.
yeah, you could go like this and then only do the ones where it's 50%.
50, yeah.
Yeah, and then you narrow
So
it down.
so what determines ICT? They're called order blocks, right?
Yeah,
All right, what determines their order blocks? The last three candles before go up and down, up or down?
it doesn't matter. Like right here, it's like this is an order block right here. Like just because the price made this row of black candles and then it pushed up, like made this crazy spike. So
Okay.
if you were bullish at this day, you would be looking at this as like, all right, maybe you can get in at 50% like TJ teaches us and
Hmm.
put our stop loss right over here and then try and make a 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 or maybe just targeting like that liquidity and shit like that. Like,
Okay.
you feel me? Like that's like it all depends on like your daily bias. That's what like is really important to me. Like, because like for me, like we were consolidating in this area, right? And we just came and broke out. So I was bearish over here because after every single time we break out, we pull back. You feel
Yeah,
me?
yeah, of course. Break instruction.
Yeah, yeah. And let's go. And then so I was bearish over here, you know what I'm saying? But this thing never even came down to where I would want it to. It never even came and touched the 50. Like it came and basically kind of touched it though, right here.
Hmm.
I was bearish this whole entire time. This ran up and then it came and took out this liquidity over here. And then I was bearish over here again. You know what I'm saying? Like, but like that to know that you're gonna be bearish instead of bullish on these days because you could be thinking that this is, oh yeah, perfect time to buy. We have a down candle right here. We're probably like at 50%.
Hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Like, and then boom, you would have got your money lost. So it's
Yeah,
like
facts.
you really need like that daily bias. People don't really be talking about it like that, but like all this shit is just going to where liquidity is. Cause look, it grabbed the seller's liquidity right here, and then look where it's coming out to right now. I mean before, and it came and grabbed the buyer's liquidity, and then
Okay.
you feel me? Like so, it grabbed two liquidities right here, and then shot all the way the fuck up, and I was
Hmm.
like, all right, yeah, I'm fucking bullish. Like there's just no question about it. I'm bullish. We just came and made this crazy candle right here. Perfect time to go short because we just made a crazy ass candle. Why we gonna go and make another fat ass candle? You know what I'm saying? Like that's just me
And
just
would you say that's taking out the liquidity also? Go back to the daily
yeah.
because it ran to that wick.
Right here. Right
It
into
ran to that. You see that blue wick, or go left,
right here
left, even more left, left,
or right here.
left, right
This?
there, right.
Oh, to the right here, blue, right here.
One more, go left. I mean,
Is
stay
it
right.
right here?
No, the up wick, the up wick. So where you at? The other blue
Oh, right
candle?
here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So would you say that it ran up there and you could have played it because it went to liquidity there?
Yeah, this definitely like yo, ICT talks about like don't really worry about the wicks that much. Like he uses the wicks and the stuff, but like
Hmm,
if you would have just peeped this like double top right here with the
hmm.
closes, and then it came over here. You know what I'm saying? Like this is definitely a liquidity zone because you gotta think about it like this. If you went short right here and you're a swing trader, you're putting your stop like right over here.
Yeah,
Here. You go short right here. Where are you putting your stop? Right over here.
it's a fact.
Right here. You feel me? Like that's we just gotta think about where they're gonna put their stops and target that shit, bro. Like, cause that shit, bro, it's like that's if you look at it like that, all of this shit, like you really think this market just went up because it went up? Nah, it's because there are sell stops right here, sell stops right here, definitely. Like, look at that shit. These are all equal highs.
Hmm.
You feel me? Like, and once this shit got taken away, oh my god. You feel me, bro? Like, yo, this shit is like crazy. Like, and TJ doesn't talk about this shit, bro. I'm trying to put him onto this. Like, if he talks about this, he gonna be nasty, bro. Like,
Yeah,
but he thinks, oh, this is just support. I mean, this is resistance. You feel me? Like, oh yeah, I'm gonna play this resistance. Like, nah. If this gets up to over here, I would buy a call right here to play it to up to here. You feel me? Like that's how confident I am in like the ICT shit, bro.
wait, you said you would buy, let me see,
Like I would
zoom
like
in.
let's say it's even right here. Instead of buying a put, I would buy a call. You feel me?
Or
Just because I'm like, yo, look at this clean ass resistance.
okay,
People think this is resistance, but nah, people are just selling because people who are going short right here, like you know how like when you go short, you're basically buying it and then you're gonna sell it later. You feel me? Or like
yeah,
you so they're basically giving the sellers right here, the stop losses, they're giving like they're accumulating positions. ICT can talk about it like more like
and that.
fundamentally, but like
Hmm.
basically they're like getting the best price and then they're just gonna drop it down. And then it comes and takes out this low. Like this is the type of shit that's like, yo, it's just crazy, bro.
Definitely is crazy. I'll be watching you on the gram, so I already know. Let me get my charger.
Yeah, no problem.
And so, hold on. And so you will be able to play that little move because it's the shit, right?
Like right here, you're talking about?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, like I mean, I was just making that as an example. I wouldn't want to buy at the highest and stuff like that, but you can still be bullish because we didn't really break this over here.
Hmm.
And then obviously when we break it right here, you'd want to go to your like 1 hour and do the same thing that TJ teaches us. Look for a change of character and then play it down. Like we could say that we could literally say this or like these peaks over here are a change of character because on the 15-minute, 5 minute, this is definitely a change
It's
of
closing.
character. Oh yeah, you feel me? Like this is a low right here. And then
Hmm.
this low brought this high. But we would most likely wait for this or this, you know, if we were conservative. But you can literally say this. And then same thing, I like to wait for New York Open. So I put this ICT zone right here.
8:30 or 9:30? 8:30?
Yeah, I wait for 8:30 on NASDAQ. So I'll wait for 8:30. This should start sinking. 8:30 or right around that dot, like start sinking. And then this becomes a bearish order block right here. And it already started sinking where we already said it was. You feel me? Like it took this is and also another thing what TJ says, like he waits for a close. ICT doesn't wait for a close. This is a lower low.
Hmm.
You feel me? Like it's just there's just different types of styles. Like
Yeah, I already know. What makes that an order block?
this makes it an order block because it made this impulsive move.
All right. Basically, order blocks is basically um when there's a big like imbalanced candle.
Yeah, like it's the same way as like you see how like this was a crazy move up.
Yeah, so that would be an order block right there.
Yeah, these two black candles will be an
Oh,
order.
the last down. What you were saying? The last three down candles,
No,
or the last?
it doesn't matter honestly, bro. Like if this right here went like
Yeah.
this and then went like that, this
Mhm.
the whole entire thing would be an order block. Like no lie, bro. But you can
Mhm.
obviously go to the 15 minute, to the five
So
minute,
so
and
so
then
would that be an order block right there?
this right here.
No, to you the last down candles before
These
right
two.
before that. No,
Yeah, the
right
last
before that.
oh this right here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
perfect. Yeah, definitely would be, bro. But it's like the same time it's like you gotta keep that bullish, perspective. I mean that
Yeah.
that daily bias perspective because we were waiting for this to get broken and it did. So now we're not even gonna worry about that.
All right.
But fuck those shits because this is all points of liquidity now. Those order blocks become liquidity. And then you're gonna see how price comes and respects this though too. Because it's gonna go like this. It's gonna go down,
Mm-hmm.
come and make his retracement, and then it's gonna go down, come and make his retracement, and it's gonna go like that, like beautifully. Like look. Oh look, it came back into that order block like that we jacked. So let's say we would just take a trade. All right. I like doing it once it touches it. Let's put it right here. Let's see what happens. Oh, we get wicked, and obviously price probably
It's
starts
gonna
going
go
down.
down.
Yeah, obviously, right?
Yeah,
But that's trading, bro. You know that shit, bro.
yeah, I already know.
But they know, like, you feel me? They be faking niggas out. And
Yeah, exactly. That's all it is.
and it's also that entry was 11 o'clock, and yo, honestly, I don't really like entering at 11 o'clock because
Yeah, he
that's like
said that from 11 to 1, right?
not yet 11 to I only enter from 8:30 to like 10. No
Oh.
lie. Like not even like 10:30. That's the latest I'll enter
What time did it start going down?
it started going down London next day. And then this is 8, 9, and it came back. So like we could probably go to 15 minute, check it out. And this is another thing that I like to do. Like if you can't really see like good plays like that, just throw in this film. And he says this is perfect example. This is like the best area where you want to buy from 62 to 78%. This is
Yeah,
like
that's a discount.
yeah, that's like the mega discount. Like anytime it goes past this, just get like be aware that it could go over here. But obviously, you would enter in like one of these order blocks, preferably both of them. So let's
Mhm.
say you enter here, and obviously your stop is gonna be pretty big. But if you shoot in for all the way at these lows, that's three, and all the way over here, look at that. You feel me? Like, and that's a seven, and that's not even close to where the original move should go. It should go all the way down here. You feel
Oh,
me? Like,
yeah.
like so you're really not risking much. And then this definitely comes and just starts melting, jacking it. Oh, let's see. You go in the hourly. Because they're just literally just trying to get the best price. And you see how this shit that ass came and respected that same zone, that same order blocks that we were talking about, bro. Like
That's tough.
that's what I'm saying, bro. Like,
So you would have got, I thought you was bullish on the daily though.
nah, for right here. This is another time. Look, this is a 15 August. So
Okay.
once they grab, we already saw this though, but
Oh,
once they
once
grab,
you see a grab liquidity,
yeah, on the daily, like, then you're like, all right, because
and
obviously in that downtrend, if you look,
yeah, and then it go down, and then you just try to catch a order block up or fair value gap up on the lower time frame.
nah, yeah, you basically try and catch that order block. Yeah, when it's retracing, then you catch that order block going back up. But I mean going back down, like so it has to
Yeah,
go like this, and then you catch it up right here, and then bring it down. Yeah, that's if you're bearish, but you know that, you feel me? And
yeah,
then like this was the real target on the daily, so you could have took your profits and just every single day scalp and to the
yeah,
bearish, if you don't like swinging and shit like that, but that's that profit though, that should have been retarded.
yeah. That would have been crazy.
But like yo, that's what I wanted to show you too, like, and feel free to cut me off when you need to, bro. Like
Gotcha.
th- this was the major low that brought this high and stuff like that.
Hmm. It's the last swing low.
Yeah, that's the last swing low. And then once you see how every single time we come and take out that liquidity, price comes and reverses, and then it comes
Retra
down, takes out this liquidity, this low, and then reverse.
retrace.
And
Right.
then yeah, it retraces every single time, bro. Like that's how you know like that the market is always taking liquidity, bro. Like literally always. Like, cause it's like, all right, now it took that sellers. All right, let's see if we can take some buyer, some short sellers who
Them
got
bar.
too greedy. You feel me? They're too greedy selling here, so they come and take their money right here. So they have an order block right here. They're waiting for a price to come up here. They get smacked. These people get smacked over here. These people get smacked over here. But then if you notice, this was really the swing low. You would have put that from right here to right here. You know, enter right here in this order block, or you could definitely. This is some swinging shit, but like once price does come and take liquidity though on the daily, like yo, it's definitely
All right.
significant
So how would you know not to get in that trade right there? You see where you at right there? Yeah, over there.
right here,
Go the last swing low
right here,
before it goes to your right. The last low.
right here.
Left.
All the way over here, or like
No, yeah, right there. Exactly. You see that swing low, and you see how it rallied up. How would you know not to? How would you know that it's not gonna take that last swing high to your left?
that is not.
Yeah, right there. Right, exactly, right
Yeah,
there.
yeah,
How
yeah.
would you know it's not gonna take that?
I mean, like, yo,
Because
how could
when
you
that
know? Yeah, yeah,
wouldn't that be an order block also?
yeah. All of these. This is an order block right here.
Exactly. So you see how it went to the swing low and started rallying up. You would think that it would take the same liquidity as it did before and just retrace and not change the character. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, bro.
So
But
how would you determine when it won't do that?
let's peep these swing lows though, because like ICT makes his swing lows differently. Like he makes it like this. Like that's a swing low. This is a swing high.
Hmm.
So like right here we have a swing low right here,
Hmm.
and then we have a another swing low, and then we
Hmm.
have oh wait, my fault. And we have this swing low, and this was the lowest swing low. So, but this low and this high right here, this high brought this swing low. So
Hmm.
once this swing high gets violated like this,
Hmm.
right, we're going for liquidity. So we're targeting over here. We're not gonna take that order block anymore. We're actually gonna be going bullish. And
Okay.
that's the same way like that over here. Like literally I called out being bullish like OD long ago, bro, on Nas. Because look how we came up. This was the low that brought this. I mean, this was the high that
Swing
brought
high.
this low. Yeah. Like, so once we literally, this is also called the market structure shift. So it's like an internal shift in the direction. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Yeah.
But so instead of taking, this is a market structure break. Anytime we come and break this, that's a market structure break, because this low, I mean, this high brought this low, but this is a market structure shift. So
Hmm.
once I saw that, I was already getting bullish to try and take this out.
Yeah.
And then after we came into this consolidation, I mean, after we came pulled back, this was the order block right here. You feel me? That brought
The
this,
the that blue candle,
you feel me? Yeah, this blue candle before the run up. Or actually, no, I'm sorry.
the black
That's
one.
that's wrong. The black one, yeah, not the blue one.
Yeah, that's the last down candle before the big impulse.
Yeah, and then so once we were in that, and then we came over here, made a low. I mean, at the same time, you can also just see like we're really in a range right here.
Yeah, exactly.
You know what I'm saying? We all know after a consolidation, they're really gonna try and like they do this a lot, and you can yo write this shit down, bro. Like, cause look, they go like this, consolidate, push it up, push it all the way down, and then come back into the consolidation and then bring it down.
Mhm.
Yo, they do this so much, bro. It's not even like,
Manipulation is crazy.
yeah, bro. Like, look right here. Not gonna lie, bro. This is
Yeah, I see it.
exactly the pattern. This was like consolidation right here. Brought it up,
Went up
brought it down. Consolidation more right here.
and
And
then down.
yeah, because this is all grabbing liquidity. Like I was playing this, obviously.
Hmm.
I played this right here. Cause I'd
You
be
not hungry?
I'm coming in a bit.
I played this. Order block. It bounced over here. I didn't play that. It came back down. I was like, let me shoot my shot. This is literally only a 13 pip stop loss, my bro. Like
So,
this is nothing
and
to
then you would target that high.
yeah, I literally targeted this high. And look how it came up into that. But then it's like, yo, we are in a consolidation. Yo, if you would have seen like that 1 minute, like over here, do a market structure shift, yo, you would have been set up with the best entry, bro. Like literally just looking for, all right, this is a market structure break though, because this low right here brought this high. So you couldn't
Hmm.
even wait for this to come and break. But a market structure shift is right here. This is the low right here. But
Hmm.
this low didn't bring a new high. That's why it's a market structure shift. All right. So now this low did bring this high. And then now we get a crazy ass candle. ICT talks about forgetting about these candles because this is not really a new high, it's just manipulation.
Yeah,
And then where's our retracement? Let's see. Our retracement, yo, sometimes this shit never even comes to 50% for real, bro.
yeah, like that, and you just don't take that trade.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, you don't take that trade or like you find a fair value gap, which there's
Mhm.
a fair value gap. Oh my God. Look at that fair value gap, bro. And this is where ICT would say, look at that price delivery. I've watched him too much. Like
Yeah.
like because if price is in a sell model, it doesn't even go above that discount. And then let's say you would have entered right here, you can make this your
First,
your first, yeah, TP, and this is your second,
and then one more.
and then right there, yeah. I mean, honestly, bro, I would just like this is the low hanging fruit. You feel me? Like this is like the easy money.
Hmm.
You have more, what your win rates could be better if you just take
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
like you feel me? For sure, bro. I usually just take this, not gonna lie. But when we were targeting like liquidity, like on
So the objective is to always target liquidity.
yeah, like literally, bro.
And sometimes once it does that, you know it's gonna reverse. So as it goes down, you want to look for a retracement to a fair value gap or order block.
I mean, bro, honestly, but if like there's also order flow too. Like you would just because we came and grabbed this liquidity, I would not say go bullish if this is showing bearish. You feel me? Like
Yeah.
I would just wait for a good setup, you know.
So
But like
basically, it
if you're
determines. Go ahead. What you was about to say?
but like if you know scalping on the 3 minute, 5 minute, yo, I'm gonna say yo, do whatever the fuck you want. You feel me?
Yeah.
Like, if you scalping on the 15 minute, I'll say be careful for sure.
Hmm. You gotta look at the daily bias.
Yeah, because the 15 minute, bro, that shit is slow as hell, bro. Sometimes, not gonna
Yeah.
lie. Like, but if you scalping on the 3 minute, 2 minute, and like, yo, scalping on the 3 minute, 2 minute with this strategy, bro, I swear to God, this is all you gotta do. Like, you just gotta see what black candles is being, if the black candles are being respected on an uptrend or on a downtrend, if in this case, the blue candles are being respected. So, like, right here, we didn't go below this right here. We didn't go below that order block. We never went below that order block. So this is all buy. This is all buying. You could just say this is all buying. We came right here, came up. Okay, now we're respecting that order block. Right here, this price never came below this order block. We're in a buy model right now.
Yeah, it never even
Right here.
touched.
That's what I'm saying. It never even touched that shit. That's buy model material, bro. And then boom, we come right here. Perfect. Slap dab in the middle. Filled fair value gaps for sure in the 1 minute.
Yeah.
Here. Filled the fair value gaps and look at that run up. You feel me? Like that's how you like
How much is that?
from right here. Let's even just do it from right here. Cause I'm bro, I'm one of those people that buy right here and put my stop loss right here because yo, you never know, bro. Like
Yeah.
I'm
You
like,
won't wait till it hit the like the other day, like on Friday.
yeah, bro. I'm not gonna wait.
What that say?
110.
Okay. And this
Yo,
is Nasdaq.
look at that. I knew, bro, like if price went where TJ was saying it for it to go, bro, I was like, it's not, that's already bearish for me. Like if price went,
All the
made
way
this
down.
high, yeah, it made all the way down. Like, yeah, it could have come and touched this for sure, bro. It definitely could have. Like filled this fair value gap right here. Definitely could have done that. But it's like you're kind of being greedy. I didn't want to say that, but that's like a little like that's like you're being greedy for like the chances of it getting it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm
He
saying?
want the best. He want the best of the best entity.
Yeah.
So it's like, so his
Nah, but
stop
I
loss,
feel him.
that's how he play it. So his stop loss could be like one to, you know what I'm saying?
But for me, bro, his yeah, and he probably wants to like up the lot size and shit like that. Like, you know
Yeah.
what I'm saying? Like his lot size is much. I play one
Yeah.
lot. You feel me? I
Yeah.
just
Wait,
literally
so
enter
it did touch right there.
Nah, yeah. So like you saw like in this 5 minute, you saw this order block being respected. All
Yeah.
right, bet. So if this order block got respected, this order block should be respected, and
Yeah, it did.
that's how you make your scalp. Boom.
Um,
You feel me?
yeah.
This is all you need to do to be profitable. I swear to God, bro. Like, look, a new high right here. All right, bet. New high. This order block made this new high. So once we have this new high right here, this should be the order block we use, and boom. Oh
That's
yeah.
tough.
Yeah, bro. This is like the shit, honestly.
Do
And
you do this on like Forex and
I only use Nas right now.
okay. But it can be done on like the pairs and stuff.
Oh yeah, bro. Let's see yours used to. The 5 minute. I like the 5 minute. It's clean. So once I mean, same old like daily bias is bullish, so we'd be looking for bullish stuff in like the kill zone. So this order block created this high, and we did come across a swing low that got penetrated up. Pause.
Mhm.
And then so we would buy right here, stop loss here, crazy move up. I
To
mean,
take out that last impulse high.
yeah, you could use target right here, the close right here, honestly. Or if you would have been smart with it, target. If you're bullish on the daily, take out the highs, bro. Target the highs. Honestly, be better than me, nigga. Like I can't, bro. It's hard
Yeah,
for me
nah,
to hold some
that
shit,
is
bro.
tough.
Yeah, bro. It's tough, but you know what I'm saying? Like, look, once you already secured the profits, like let's say you in here and they came and took this out,
Hmm.
I'm putting my stop loss up here, but it's still like you could have made so much money here and you're putting
Yeah,
it
that's a fact.
for the
And
future.
you be trading futures, no?
Nah, just forex, bro.
Okay, because
And there's another
I be
one.
seeing you look at the NDX.
The SPX?
The NDX. The NDX is the ticker for futures, I believe.
Nah. I mean, I probably
That's
looked
why
at it
Kim
once.
asked you. That's why Kim asked you if you one day if you be trading futures.
Oh, really? Nah, I don't even remember that, bro. I probably was smacked or some shit. Yo,
Nah, but
look at this one too. My fault. Swing high, swing low, made this high, came
mhm.
back in the order block. And then the TJ order block would have printed for this one for sure.
Yeah, definitely, because that would have been it would have hit his last. That would have been his supply zone on that last down candle.
But bro,
Just that one.
let's even see like look at that Oh no, it probably felt this already. But it probably
Mhm.
wanted to fill
It's a
that.
little fair value gap.
Yeah. But like anytime you see fair value gaps too, like right here, look at the fair value gaps and look at the swing high right here. And I'll put that to right here. This is swing high. Look how it retraces perfectly at 50. Oh
Well,
my,
where's your fair value gap here?
right here.
RC.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, it's just big ass candles.
Yeah.
Sometimes you're not even gonna see that. Like, look at these. That's fair value gap. Whenever I see big ass candles, I just be thinking of fair value gaps. Honestly, I'm not
Okay.
gonna lie. Like, yo, like, yeah, bro. Like, honestly, this is the
And
wave.
then it did go back to that order block. Do you take 50% of the order block?
Nah, I mean, you could, bro. Honestly, I mean, I recommend that. Honestly,
Taking 50%?
yeah, bro. Because that's what he says. He says like this is the most important levels right here. I'm gonna do it for right here. The opening right here of the body of the first order block and
Mm-hmm.
the last one, and then the 50%. He says is the best one. And
That
you
was
can
the
do it
best.
just yeah. That's like the best. You don't want it to see it really get below here.
But then it'll be like bearish.
Yeah, it'll be a little bearish, yeah. But that's the saying, don't just put your stop loss here because price could come and just take your stop loss or some shit.
Yeah. Where would you put your stop loss?
I'll put it under these wicks for sure. It's just like just precaution, you feel me?
Yeah. And
Uh,
what would be that risk to take off that high? That double R.
Here, let's see right here, these two order blocks right here. That was too perfect for the 3 minute. And I just enter right away.
Oh, you wouldn't wait for the 50% mark. This one.
I mean, I would go like right here, and it already hit 50% for me.
Uh,
So I'm already even on the closes, already hit 50%. So I wouldn't, what I'm saying, being patient enough to wait for this one instead of this one. Because technically this is the correct one that you should wait for because high, low, higher high, this already changed a character on a 1 minute or some shit like that.
mhm.
And then a lower high, and then boom. This order block really made the move.
All right.
You feel me? So if you just focus on that type of shit, like, oh, this high created this low, so this is bearish order block. But we came and penetrated a pause. We came and destroyed that shit. So we made a new high right here. So this is not never it's not bullish now.
Mhm.
We made right here, we came right here. Sometimes you just gotta wait for price to do its thing. You can't really just like enter right here.
Mhm.
You feel me? Like
Did you see that big impulse move?
yeah, if you see that big impulse move and this is moving, it's moving, definitely wait for that pullback. And this is like 10:30. Perfect time to last area for you really be looking to
Yeah.
buy for me. But obviously if you bullish, bro, look at that. We go all the way up here. Or
What was the first double R? The 1-to-1?
yeah, practically 1-on-1. 1-3.
1-to-3? 1.3?
Yeah, but look
Uh,
at the lot though. I mean, look at the stop. It's only 26 pips. You feel me? Like you put a double, that's pretty good money.
yeah, that is. And the second take profit?
I mean, I would say, yeah, second take profit will be over here for sure.
That's 3.
Clean three. And there's also another tip that you can do, but 4 minutes left. Um, right here, like this high was made, and we had a pullback. You could make or let me just use this. You go to like -1,
Mhm.
and it kind of just like duplicates where price should technically go. And this is like the OD bullish one, but you could also do -0. Let me see if I can find, or I mean 0.5, and it just cuts it like in half. So this is like another thing that you could like fuck around with.
All right, I'm gonna check that out. I never heard about that one. You just add the fib, right?
Yeah, you just add minus like
Point
minus
five or
zero
1.
point 0.5, yeah, or 1.
Okay, that makes sense.
And you can use that for like I don't know if you play bull flags and stuff like that. Like if you play,
Mhm.
yeah, you can also just measure it like that instead of just like, you feel me. But yeah, bro, like, that's
I'm gonna
literally
check.
all. Like just follow what the order blocks are telling you. you know?
All right, bet.
Yeah, bro. I appreciate it, bro, for you coming out.
And I appreciate you, bro. And I also wanted to ask you about the bot, remember?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean,
Um,
all I do, bro, is like I literally set that shit up for like the people who want it, and
yeah.
that shit runs, and it makes like it can make as much as you want to risk. Like,
But you gotta put the money in the account, right?
yeah, I got a bot. I have a demo testing it out right now, and bro, that's
Okay.
just not lost money yet. So
Okay.
you
That's
feel
what I
me?
was saying. $1,000 for if I do $1,000, I'll probably put the risk a little high, so you could go do like 1% a day.
Yeah, I mean,
Cause that's only $10. If you do a 1% a month, you would need like a $50,000 account, like you said, like you had.
yeah, bro, but yeah, like I honestly I got a guy. Look, let me see. I'll show you. I got a guy who can make who passes funding accounts. New
And
share.
that's another thing. That's different from the bot, right?
Yeah, he passes. He uses another bot. Look, can you see my Discord, bro?
Yeah, yeah, I see it.
Look at his positions, bro. Look, this is all December 1st. 39, 54, 114. Look at that. He makes like look 8 racks. Like,
Right.
bro,
So how much is this account?
that's a
That's
100K account. But
okay.
look,
So
get funded. Look, he makes he's for 750 plus the fee of the bot. So 50K bot is only 1,000. That's what I would recommend you do, bro. If you want to put 1,000, just buy his shit and buy my bot was only $100. So 110 and put the 50K to run, and you can get like you can risk
oh
2% and make 1,000 every month type of shit.
you doing two things at once. You buying your bot and but you also using his funded account.
Yeah, bro. That's
Uh
so eventually I'm gonna get a 500K account. And so 2% of that, bro, that's 10 bands a month, my nigga. 10
yeah.
bands, bro. You know what I'll do with 10 bands a month, bro?
Yeah, that's something different.
So I'm like, yo, like that's what I'm gonna do. Like on my next check, December 16th, bro. I'm gonna cop this. I'm
The
cop a
50
thousand.
day the 50K funded
Yeah,
account, you're gonna put your bot on it.
yeah. Cause I'm testing it right now. It made
Yeah.
122 in 1 week. But
Nah,
that's like
that's
that's low risk, like dumb low, dumb low.
nah, that's all. I would put the lowest risk. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah,
But how does
bro.
that funded account work? What if you lose all of it?
Nah, like you can only lose a set percentage. Bro, my
All
shit
right.
is about to die right now, but
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit you another link if you want to keep talking.
All right, bet.
Bye, bye, bye.